All right, so I haven't been making very many how-to and maintenance videos and all that good stuff, but my truck, which is a 2019 F250 6.7 liter, I don't drive it that much because I'm trying to keep it as long as I possibly can, just because of the skyrocketing costs of all motor vehicles. So if you've been around the channel for a while, you know that I had a couple Copart cars that I drove. I had a Focus, I had a couple Focuses, and then I had a Fusion that I drove. And then with the money I saved up, I went and bought myself a Subaru WRX because I wanted a manual transmission car, take me back to my youth. So anyways, so I have that and I drive it. So my 5-year-old Superduty is closely approaching the 50,000 mile mark. So I'm going to be doing a string of videos for some of the regular maintenance items. I haven't had a lick of trouble, knock on wood. So I'm gonna, well, I've already done, I changed the transmission fluid and the filter, and I installed an aftermarket pan, which added capacity. And it's an aluminum pan, so hopefully it'll cool down the transmission fluid a little bit. I'm going to install or change the fluid in the differentials. I'll do those one at a time, and then I'm going to do the transfer case. When I do the rear differential, I'm going to change the cover because I want one that I can drain and fill from the back. And then I'm going to change the shocks. And then I'm going to change the belt because it has 50,000 miles, but more so the fact that it is 5 years old, going on 6 maybe. And I'm going to change the shocks. What else am I going to do? I'm going to put one of those catastrophe kits on. Just because I see all the bad things about what can happen to these CP4 pumps. And then I think that's pretty much it. And when I'm doing all that, I'm going to change the the cold and hot charge air pipes, just because I see those split a lot. One of the trucks we have at work with like 60,000 miles, it just popped. We were using it like a truck. We were pulling a dump trailer with dirt, and it just popped, split right down the middle. So I think it's time. They're old. I'm going to replace them. So there you go. I just wanted to point that out. I will show you what you need to do these changes. What the not necessarily the shop manual, but what the owner's manual says for capacity, specifications, all that. I'll show you the tools that I use. I'll show you that I'm doing it in my driveway, and that so basically anybody can do this. And so anyways, there you go. Hopefully you like these. This is just an introduction to all these videos that are going to be coming over the next few weeks. I will spread them out, and what I'll probably do is, as I do them, I'll post one of them every Friday or Saturday so that there's a consistent stream of them as I'm doing them. So there you go. If you have anything else you'd like me to do, or any comments you have, please put them below. And as always, I really appreciate all the support, and thanks a lot, and have a great day.